Hello, Chris from Street Cleaning, Clean Windows on the Foul Coast. Forgive me, subscribers, for I have sinned. It has been at least 2 weeks since my last video. Really apologise. But we've not sat still. We have been absolutely manically busy. We've recently bought a new family car. I've got myself my third van for the business. We've brought in an employee full time, etc. So yeah, and somewhere in the middle of all that, we've been cleaning windows. But yeah, joking aside, I'll be doing more videos in the coming weeks about our new system that's being fitted. We've got a date for that, so keep your eyes peeled for any for that future video. We're going to have a 650 litre flat tank from Varatech Systems. We're going to have 2 electric reels. We're going to have the over 8 water-fed poles with univalves fitted. We're going to have basically my plan is to do a video from basic ply in the back of the van, no livery, stripped down, install and livery, so to give you an idea of the sort of process that Varatech go through. I've worked with Varatech for a number of years for things like water-fed poles, for hose reels, etc. But this is the first sort of time I've ever had to have a van fitted out with their equipment, so I'm really looking forward to it. I've got a long-standing personal relationship with Ziggy Phillips, which is he's one of the guys down there. Stand-up bloke, but as things transpire, we've never actually met in person, so I'm actually looking forward to sort of shaking the guy's hand and learning a bit more about Varatech Systems. So keep your eyes peeled for that video in the future. But today, in addition to all of that gubbins, I wanted to talk to you guys about how we're moving on as a business in terms of franchising. So back in January, I started undergoing training for franchising. So how to, because it's like anything else, we're not born knowing, and it's all about sort of going out there, getting the education, etc., to expand and grow as a business. And there are many ways to grow your business, not just window cleaning, but it could be landscaping, could be any number of service-based businesses, and there are umpteen ways to grow said business. Okay, I am not saying that my way is the right way. I am simply saying, we've chosen to go down the route of franchising. Okay, so why have I chosen to go down the route of franchising? Well, franchising is a good way to grow your business and give a lot of people control over satellite businesses. Okay, now yes, those businesses will be called estuary cleaning, but they will be operated independently by franchisees. So I will not have any day-to-day running of their business, but I will oversee certain aspects of their business. For example, the brand, for example, how they conduct the work, making sure that obviously they don't damage the brand, etc. But it's a very hands-off way of growing your business. So you can grow a limited company, which, for some people is fantastic. And I'm sure we will grow to that, to be a big limited company at some point. That is my mission. But at the minute, I think, the best way to open up branches of estuary cleaning or any business that wishes to sort of expand aggressively is to do it with franchising. So how does franchising work? Okay, so franchising allows people to buy into your business, so that it's less risky for you as a business owner. So I hold a lot less risk than I would if I was to sort of go out and grow a big company. To some extent, there's a little less risk. It requires ultimately other people to sort of buy into your business. So it has to be a good proposition. Okay, it can't be a Mickey Mouse brand that is a bit chip shop that no one wants to buy into. It's got to be an established brand. It's got to be profitable. It's got to be replicatable. Okay, it's got to be something where you can literally, it's a business in a box, and you can hand someone that box and say, right, that is how to run estuary cleaning. Okay, and it might involve a little bit of training, it might involve a little bit of mentoring, etc. But for the large part, the vast majority of that work is being carried out separate of you, or of me in this case. So that's why I wanted to sort of franchise. In addition to that, the returns are a lot less for franchising, but the workload is more manageable. So my mission ultimately is to get people to buy into estuary cleaning in various towns and cities up and down the United Kingdom, on the mainland of the UK, and we'll and grow as best we can, etc. So yeah, the buy-in fee will vary. So I've got a young lad coming to meet me in a couple of weeks to discuss coming on board as a franchisee. I'm not going to disclose the guy's name. I'm not going to say where he's from, etc. But he is a subscriber to the channel, and rest assured, I'm really looking forward to meeting this guy face to face for the first time. So yeah, that has been us in a nutshell. Basically, this past sort of month has just gone absolutely crackers crazy. So, but yeah, the things are moving apace. We're moving in the right direction, and I'm extremely positive about where it's going, to be honest with you. So yeah, for those who wish to sort of interact with the channel, if you've got any questions, if you would like any videos specifically featuring about your given subject in the wonderful world that is window cleaning, follow the links below and my social media, etc., and I'm sure we can come up with some of these ideas, etc. So thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, and enduring to the end of the videos. If you like what we do, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. So yeah, keep on keeping on, chaps and chapesses, and I'll see you in the next one. All the very best.